Hi Polyglots, this is Nilo Velez, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to use this tool, the BP Polyglots Facilitator by Jesús Amieiro, to share already translated strings between different WordPress projects. For this example, I'm going to use the plugin Smash Balloon Social Photo Feed, which has already been completely translated into Spanish from Venezuela, here, but already have 34 strings that hasn't been translated to Spanish from Spain. Spanish from Spain and Spanish from Venezuela are two different locales that have agreed on a very similar glossary, so much of the strings we translate in one of the locales can be used in another, but it has to be reviewed for different forms of expression. This same method can also be used by different locales that share a common linguistic base or different variation of the same language, like the different Portugueses or the different German. Okay, let's go. I'll start by copying the Slack of the project, which is Instagram feed. I'll copy that. I'll go to BP Polyglots Facilitator. This is the URL, bppolyglotsfacilitator.jesusamieiro.com. I'm translating a plugin, the stable branch. The Slack is Instagram feed. I'm translating from Spanish from Venezuela to Spanish from Spain here. So here you have to limit the number of strings you want to download. In a small project, there's no problem if you put a big number to get all the project. But if it's a really big project, it's better to do it step by step by downloading partial parts of the project. Okay. Let's say I want, well, there were 34 strings that weren't translated, so I'm going to go for 35. Now I'm downloading the PO file, and if I open that file, okay, let me get that to this screen and open that in PO edit. Here I can see that I've already downloaded only the 34 strings that were missing from the Spanish translation. Okay, this dot yes. Okay, this looks fine. So I'm going to go to the Spanish version of the project, the Spanish from Spain version of the project, and I'm going to import a translation. I'm going to select the file. Okay. And I'm going to say that even if I'm a GTE, I'm going to say that I want to keep that as waiting, so they are not automatically translated. So I can review that later. I'll import. And now I have 34 waiting strings that can be reviewed by any GTE. To prepare the strings for publishing, and this is evident that it can save a lot of work with different locales that share a common base. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, I can find the stop button where you are. Yes, bye.